I'll show you how to use the BabyPips calculator. Step 1. Go to babypips.com and click on Tools at the top menu. From the drop-down, select Position Size Calculator. Step 2. You'll see a simple form. Here's what to fill in. Account currency. Choose your base currency like USD. Next, account size. Enter how much you are trading with like $1,000. Risk percentage. This is how much you are willing to risk per trade, usually 1 to 2%. Next, stop loss in pips. Enter your stop loss size like 50 pips. And currency pair. Select the pair you are trading like Euro or USD. Step 3. Hit Calculate. It will show you the ideal lot size, amount at risk, and how many units trade based on your inputs. And that's it!